have to do. Maybe you should say hello first.
No, it's weird. Why can't we just start talking?
Hi everyone. It's Neisha and here's Lucy and there's Evie eating.
Now people
grass.
think we don't feed him.
So right now the van is in collector by my brother Shane. So he's been putting in the new engine and he's okay. Do that a bit quick. Oh, sweet. It's the engine is now in the van, and now he's doing like the modifications to the exhaust.
Stuff's happening.
It should only be a couple of weeks until we actually have the van back and it'll be working again, which is great.
Couple of weeks. We've got to go down there and put in all the wiring, all the electrics, the solar, the fan, the lights, insulation.
And then we take it to
Yeah, my dad's.
Lucy,
and then
Shane.
He'll help us do the fit out.
should be in probably like I reckon by May. As with our experience so far, it doesn't really happen to plan. So we're also just staying really open about when it will actually all come together.
Oh, we went and saw our land.
Because we actually hadn't seen it since we bought it. So, because the last time we went to try and look at it, the car broke
Shoot
down.
itself. No, it didn't. It didn't. It just overheated and we panicked.
My dad lent us his little Pulsar when
the van broke down and you had to get back from Yes.
I think I broke his blinker in the car, so I was a bit scared to drive it because it won't
There's no
go to the left. It's a bit of an older car and I should have been kind of starting it every day. Then I went to start it the other morning and it didn't start.
That's the third one now. Space of weeks. But dead battery. So Nish just had a look on YouTube how to replace a battery. Which one's the battery?
This one.
What's that? What are we doing? I'm not even doing anything. I don't know what's going on.
Nah, it just came off the top. You're great.
Do you?
Put it back on. Like that. Shifter. Oh my god. That's why I said we should buy a socket set.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Still going the wrong way. Yay!
Okay, it's already making a noise. You've got to put it in the hole.
Hit. I meant this part. Oh, wait.
I don't know what they are. Why are you asking me? Go.
I stick that on there. I'm not going to get electrocuted.
I don't think so.
What are you doing touching? No, I'm scared.
It was zipping. Oh, fuck. Don't do that.
Wow. I think we did it. We changed the battery to... And we did it. We actually did something useful and replaced the car battery in the Pulsar, which is pretty cool.
But those videos, people put up such great videos that show you how to do things, and
Our videos are never one of those things.
no. We started a website for Vandyl, so vandyl.org, which has been really cool. So we made their website and started doing a blog, which is just about nonsense things. But
because you're writing it. Nish did the website. She did really well. And the blog and stuff. I think it's a really good idea. I've been doing all the social media stuff. Pretty much using Deep as clickbait though.
well,
he's the best looking out of all of us.
Well, he's the best thing about us, isn't he?
He's the best thing about us. And thank you to the people as well that took some of their time to help us out with the last video we did, our trailer for our YouTube channel. Yeah, like right now you've got glitter all around. I don't even know.
Glitter is like the occupational hazard of a circus performer.
The circus performer is the occupational hazard as far as I'm concerned.
What do you think, Deefy? It'd be great if we could get you in here. Come on.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Davey. Devon.
It's too hot.
Come on. See you next time with an update on how everything else is going. Bye.
That's the creepiest thing.
Bye.
You lesbian. Bye. Don't blame me if you don't come back.